Topic 1. Trump's new tariffs could affect consumer prices and international trade dynamics, particularly impacting pharmaceuticals and furniture. Donald Trump has announced new tariffs on consumer products, which could particularly affect pharmaceuticals and furniture. Set to take effect on October 1st, 2025, these tariffs will impose rates of 100% on pharmaceuticals, 50% on kitchen and bathroom cabinets, 30% on furniture, and 25% on large trucks. This could lead to increased prices for imported goods, forcing consumers to pay more. For pharmaceuticals, companies building manufacturing facilities in the U.S. will be exempt from tariffs, potentially encouraging major pharmaceutical companies to expand domestic production. Additionally, lower tariff rates are expected for pharmaceuticals imported from Europe and Japan. In the furniture sector, many products are imported from China and Vietnam, which could lead to price increases. However, weak demand in the housing market may limit these price hikes. As for large trucks, most are produced in the U.S. and Mexico, so the impact of tariffs may be limited. Trump stated that these tariffs aim to protect domestic manufacturing and enhance national security. Overall, Trump's tariff policy could alter international trade dynamics and aims to promote U.S. manufacturing, though it remains uncertain whether these tariffs will be implemented or adjusted. Topic 2. FDA's discovery of radioactive contamination in spices and massive shrimp recalls raise concerns about food safety and regulatory oversight. The FDA has discovered potential radioactive contamination in food imported from Indonesia, raising concerns about food safety and regulatory oversight. They found radioactive cesium-137 in cloves from PT Natural Java spice, leading to a ban on all spice imports. Additionally, cesium-137 was detected in shrimp from PT Bahari Makmur Sejati, prompting a massive recall. This company exported approximately 84 million pounds of shrimp to the U.S. this year, accounting for about 6% of U.S. shrimp imports. While the FDA emphasized that contaminated food has not been sold in the U.S., long-term low-level exposure could increase the risk of certain cancers. The contamination is likely linked to radioactive materials found in Indonesian industrial sites, and an investigation is ongoing. Consumers are advised not to consume the recalled shrimp. Topic 3. Electronic Arts nears a $50 billion private deal, indicating significant developments in the technology sector. Electronic Arts (EA) is reportedly nearing a $50 billion private deal, causing its stock to rise by 15% on Friday. This deal involves investors including Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, and Silver Lake, and it may be announced next week. It is expected to be one of the largest leveraged buyouts in Wall Street history, primarily utilizing debt for the acquisition. EA is known for popular video games like The Sims, Madden NFL, and FC, and this deal signifies significant developments in the technology sector. EA has not responded immediately to requests for comment from CNBC. Topic 4. Boeing regains authority to certify its 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliners, indicating progress in aviation safety standards. Boeing has regained the authority to certify the safety of its 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner aircraft, marking progress in aviation safety standards. The FAA has allowed Boeing to issue its own aircraft safety certifications after a thorough review of its production quality. However, the FAA will continue to conduct safety inspections in tandem with Boeing, maintaining direct and strict oversight of Boeing's production processes. Boeing lost its certification authority due to 2 fatal crashes involving the 737 MAX and production quality issues with the 787 Dreamliner, but it has recently improved its quality and safety controls. Additionally, Boeing's stock rose following large aircraft orders from Turkish Airlines and a Norwegian group. The FAA is limiting Boeing's production rate and will thoroughly